Hey, I thought I'd shoot a quick video to share with you a few ideas for teaching online. I know people are all over the map where it comes to comfort with technology, especially when it comes to using video and voice recording. But for whatever it's worth, I thought I'd share just a few things with you that I've tried before in the past with students. The first tool that I want to share with you is screencasting, and I have a couple of tools for that that I can suggest. The first well, and that's screencasting if you're inclined to use video with students and are comfortable with having your video and voice recorded. The first tool is this one. It's a site called Screencastomatic. Super easy to use. Type Screencastomatic into any search engine and it'll take you here. All you do is you click Launch Free Recorder and you're pretty much good to go. Screencast-O-Matic is great because it allows you to create videos up to 15 minutes in length. It allows you to toggle between different tabs, as you just saw. It also allows you to toggle between different views. So right now you're seeing me in the bottom corner of your screen. I can actually move myself around. And you can actually also change your view to be this one within the video, to be one that's full face, and then to being one without you at all. All this being said, it's considered a best practice in eSummer anyway to always have a video of yourself in the screen because it allows students to better connect with you and to know that you're a person and a teacher who cares about them. This tool is great. It allows you to do snipping of your video at the beginning and the end. Integrates with YouTube, which I really like. YouTube is part of the G Suite of tools. When it uploads to YouTube, you have the option of controlling all the settings. So you can put this video as private, which means that no one can access it but you. You can upload it as unlisted, which means that only people with the link that you give to them can access it. And you can also put it as your part of your public channel. But you can control all of that. You can also go in and control the comments, enable or disable them. You can also change whether you want people to be able to view the number of views or to do thumbs up, thumbs down. All that control is there for you. And this is the tool that I really prefer for making videos for students. Another tool that's really great is also Screencastify. This is a nice tool because it integrates right in with your Chrome browser, but there are some limitations that make me prefer Screencast-O-Matic. The first is that there's a 5-minute limit on the video. You are limited to the view that you start with, so you can't toggle between tabs. You can't toggle between different views with your webcam. You're stuck with whatever you do. What's nice about this though is that when you make your video, it does still allow you to do some cropping, and then it uploads the video automatically to your Google Drive, not to YouTube. That means that from your Google Drive, you have all the permissions built right in. So you can turn sharing on and off. You can share it as a link to your Google Drive, and so on. But both of those tools are there for you to use. To find this tool, you just go to the Chrome store and type in Screencastify and just add it on. The other tool that I wanted to share with you that I've used before in eSummer to contact students is Google Hangouts. So to get here, I go to AW, click Hangouts, and work from here. Make phone calls, click make phone call, and you type in the phone number here. Phone calls are free, your phone numbers are masked, and you don't use your cell phone at all. You can, of course, use your cell phone because Google Hangouts is an app on your phone. So if you want to do that, you can. To make phone calls, I generally tend to use a headset like this with a little microphone, or you can always use a headset like this. But regardless, I really like this as opposed to using my cell phone to make calls and masking my number. It's just so much easier. Anyway, just 2 tools for you. Hope something in there is useful. Take care and hope to see you soon.